Hello interwebs, welcome to Let's Fix Computers. I've got a Sony Vaio here today which needs a new screen. Now this is a 13.3 inch laptop and it's an import from somewhere. I don't know where this script comes from. And as such I had a lot of difficulty finding a replacement panel for it. However, I did find a replacement display assembly. So I'm going to shamelessly cheat today and replace the entire display assembly. So we're going to start out by taking all the screws out the bottom so we can get that top cover off and remove the display assembly. I'm going to wait and see if I need to remove these little screws. Right, we'll take off these panels and just check what's under those. Oh crikey, this laptop's older than it looks. That's a really old wireless card. Oh, in fact, cool, this thing is deceptive. Right, let's keyboard. We need those wireless antennas and the display cable. Oh, this is horrid. Yeah, the hard drive's got to come out as well. Oh dear. There's a vague possibility that I might have been better off taking my new display assembly apart and just taking the panel out of it. We will see. Oh no, what on earth is all this about? Can I fit that? Oh my god. Oh wait, I think it might come off this way. Oh, I'm still defeated. Oh, just. I really thought that the motherboard was going to have to come out then, and I would not be pulling that out. Right, okay, that's all clear. Screws out time. Oh yeah. Good. There we have it. One fixed laptop. So yeah, as we discovered, drilling into this thing is a bit older than it looks, but I do recall the reason why we're fixing this old laptop is that it's being used by a car mechanic who's got diagnostic software on here. And car diagnostic software is one of those really awkward things, whereas once you have a system that it works, you kind of stick with it for as long as you possibly can, because replacing it is expensive. So yeah, anyway, that is now all nice and working, and this replacement screen is actually in pretty good condition, so that's a nice result. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye for now.